In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to share a file that you have in Google Drive or in PowerPoint. So if you take a file that you've created in PowerPoint, such as this one I've created in PowerPoint, and you drag and drop it into Google Drive, I'm in my Google Drive folder and I'm under Education, I can share this. So I'm going to double click on it. And notice how it opens with this black screen around. Look at my top. I can open it with Google Slides. I can print it. I can share it. I can download it, or I can do more actions. I want to share this PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on the share, and I'm going to show this one more time. Share currently PowerPoint. Get shareable link. I can also add in the names of people and saying that they can edit this or they can view or comment. I only want people to view, so I'm going to make sure view is chosen, and then I'm going to get a shareable link. Here's a link that's shareable. Anyone with the link can view, edit, comment, or only specific people can access, and I can do other things, but just view. So I'm going to click on it and copy it. On a Mac, it's Command-C to copy. On a Windows, it's Control-C. And then I'm going to click Done, and I can open up a new document, or I can go into the discussion form, and I can paste that link in, and I'm going to save this, and I'm just going to leave it untitled. So when I go back and I open this, and I'm going to get a link, and I'm actually going to use a different browser so that you can see it's not remembering. And so I'm using Chrome, and I'm going to paste it in, which is Command-V on a Mac and Control-V on a Windows. Notice how it says sharing. There it is. So now people can see my PowerPoint that I've put into Google Drive. Isn't that slick? So a really easy way to share and not have to upload a file to the discussion forum or to where you're going. Just keep it in your Google Drive and then just share it. So again, I'm going to run through those steps really quickly. I'm going to do a new window. I go to my Google Drive here because I use it all the time. I was in Education 675. Here's the file. I'm just going to double click on it, go up to my share, and then others can share it. And that way it's still in my Google Drive. I'm not having to mess with, if I update this, it will automatically update, especially if I open it in slides. So if I open it as a slide, I'll wait for that to do it. I open it as a slide and I change this, which I can see I kind of need to change it. It modified it a little bit, and I change it to be a reading 1. When somebody, and say I've already uploaded this and shared it to the discussion forum, when somebody opens this now on the discussion forum, they're going to see reading 1. I don't have to re-upload it. So when they click on that link that I got, it will automatically update it. So let's try it. And I'm going to close that out. Hopefully it's saved. Oh, the one thing I did do, because it's in files, so now I need to share this one. So I'm going to do that quickly. You can also, if you're in Google Slides, you can click the share button there. It works just the same way. Get the share link. Done. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it into another tab. So this is the slide version. So it opened up in the slides because that's what I had it set at. Generally, I like it to open this way because I don't want people to edit, but I had it on that you could edit. But anytime I do an update, So I'm going to change this to happy. So here's my change. I changed it to happy. Now watch what happens if I can get this to move. It's really been a pain lately. My windows don't want to move. So I'm going to paste this. Happy. So with that one link that I shared in the discussion board, any change that I make, if I realize as I'm looking at it on my discussion forum or wherever I made a mistake, I can easily change it, and whoever clicks on it after my change will see the change. Very cool way to do this. So generally I make most things in Google Slides now, which is not much different than PowerPoint, just mainly for that whole shareability factor and being able to change. Although you can change it in PowerPoint too by just saying to make it a slides version instead of a PowerPoint version. So enjoy the tutorial. We'll talk to you soon.